I fly on this
No.
today?
You're not flying on this flight.
I'm gonna lie. Man, listen.
Hey.
Oh, what do we have here? How an officer reacts when a woman spits on a gate agent. Ugh.
May 29, 2024, an officer was working patrol at the airport when his assistance was requested at a gate.
So she threatened the agent, talking about spitting and
I wasn't
fighting.
talking. I was on the phone. I didn't say nothing
I
about
understand
fighting.
that, but once again,
Is that Ty Lil from the Clover Boys? And Spirit Airlines always has the best customers, don't they?
I didn't say
he was
nothing about
standing
fighting.
out of the agent feels bad.
Can't see me both? Nope. Refund?
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm
Okay.
not your speaker.
We're going to go to the service desk and you will get a
Why would I
refund.
go to the service desk for?
Because you're not taking this flight.
Why can't I not take this
Because
flight?
they decided you're not.
Well, why can't I take this flight?
Because they felt threatened.
Well, I didn't say that to her, sir.
I'm not saying you did.
I know, but he was there.
I'm not arguing. This is the supervisor. The supervisor said you can't fix this flight.
She definitely spit on that lady.
That's the police talking.
I'm not doing cameras, no.
You gonna camera?
This is like me at your house. When I come to your house, you get to make all the decisions. All you gotta do is tell me no.
Right. I didn't say nothing to her.
But they said they're gonna rebook you. They're giving you the option
I know, but
not
I was
rebook
stuck.
you. They're gonna refund you. You can
I
get your money back.
I had to get back because I was stuck in all
I understand.
expenses last
I
year.
got you. You're not flying on this flight.
But can I fly on this
No.
today?
No. So let's go to the desk and get your money
They say you got to come back later. You got to come back later, babes.
back.
I'm gonna lie. Man, listen.
She about to spaz OD.
Hey.
Oh, you did that in front of the officer? Yo, I going to jail. That's disgusting. Spitting on somebody is 10 times worse than punching them or kicking them or cursing them out. That is just downright nasty. You need your ass whooped.
Stop.
You nasty as hell for that.
Don't do that.
Stop.
Don't do this.
Stop.
Don't get the off me.
Stop.
Get off me.
Stop. Breathe.
Oh, and you gonna spit on the cop?
Get off me.
I need you to breathe.
That's disgusting. Oh my God.
Do what you do, babe.
Okay. I need you.
Boy, see, this is why I couldn't be a cop, because I would have been like, beep, 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 all about your shit.
I need
Yo,
you
get the off me, bro.
That is so nasty.
Off me.
breathe.
Yo,
Breathe.
ain't no breathe. Get off. Get off me. Get off me, bro. Get off me, bro. Get off me, bro. Get the
She
off me, bro.
nasty.
Get off me. Give me my phone. Give me my phone. Give me my phone. Yo, bro. Yo.
You're gonna get tased.
Do what
I don't
you
want to
gotta
do anything.
All right, so get off me. Get off me. Get off me.
Some humans don't deserve to be alive. That is just disgusting, bro.
No.
Get off me.
No.
Get off me, then.
No.
Hello? You choking the shit out of me.
No,
You
I'm
choking me.
No, I'm not.
You choking me. You're choking me.
No, I'm not.
Get off me.
I can't believe she. That's so foul and nasty, man.
I'm gonna bite you back.
Gonna learn today.
Don't bite me. Damn, I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
45.
I can't breathe. Ah! Bro. I'm about to.
That is so nasty, bro. Where's his backup at? Officer down. Where is the hell is the backup?
Get off me. Yo, you got your dick on me? I'm gay. Get off me. I can't breathe, sir. Yo, get off me.
I would have been going like this too. You gonna learn today. Oh shit. I ain't gonna lie, I see them cops on the subway like that. I'm like, what the hell I do? I ain't do that.
Clear of doors and hold on to handrails. The doors are now closing.
Yo, bro. Yo.
Taser, because that's exactly what would have been coming. You don't do no nasty shit like that, bro.
Right. Are we on? Okay. I'm gonna let you up.
My mom.
Fight.
My mom's just calling me.
I'm gonna
Yeah,
let you
he's choking me.
I'm gonna
Like,
let you up.
I can't breathe, bro.
I'm gonna let you up.
I cannot breathe.
I'm gonna let you up. Hold it, listen to you.
I cannot breathe.
I'm gonna let you up.
I'm gonna talk about.
But don't fight.
I am gonna fight.
You
I
said
am
you
gonna
wanna
fight.
fight. I can't let you up.
I am gonna fight.
Damn, he just sitting there like, just on the fucking train. This early in the morning too? Or this is at night?
Let you up.
You know about this one of this man.
I'm gonna let
Get
you
off
up.
my phone. Get off my phone. Get the off. Yo.
I can't lie, I would have been throwing that phone. I would have, bing! I would have threw that shit 500 yards.
They slamming it. Yo, they slamming
That's disgusting. Oh my God.
Bro.
He's watching.
Yeah.
See, that's why I couldn't be a cop, because any place that you just spit it, I would have put your face in it like a little dog and told you to stop doing that shit. That's disgusting, bro.
I'm gonna let you
Can
up.
you take my number?
But you gotta stop spitting.
I
and
am.
you gotta stop fighting.
I am.
Nah, don't let her up.
No. No. You violating me, right?
I can't, so you
You
can't
violating
spit
me,
though.
right? You violating me, right?
You can't
Yo.
spit.
Nut to butt, I would have been going like this and be like, I'm not letting you get up.
They got you. They filming.
Take my number, please.
They got you.
Can somebody take my number? 347.
Investigation.
God dang it, he done dropped the clip. This month.
Can I let you up?
Can you call my wife? Call my wife.
Can I let you up?
No, she can't.
No, I'm gonna spit.
Slow down. I got her. I just got her to stop fighting.
All right, let's go.
We need her.
Let's get her.
Stop fighting. We need a face shield. She's spitting on it.
Oh, she's spitting. We need a face shield. Call it in.
Hey, we need a face shield before we move her.
You see what happened? Now you about to get hog-tied, cause in face mask, cause face mask over your face, cause you acting like a nasty child. That is some disgusting shit.
Shawnee, my wife. That's my wife.
Shawnee the spitter, cause she ain't a swallower.
You want to stop spitting?
Yo, stop asking me questions.
Well, I can't let you up. I'm trying to let you up.
You're a punk.
I might be, but I'm trying to let you
You're a
up.
punk. I'm gonna spit on you though. Nobody else, but you. I'm gonna spit on you. Exactly.
She's trying to spit.
Exactly.
Gotta love it.
Hey, at least my heart was well supplied.
God damn, that officer thicker than a bowl of oatmeal. Lord! Yeah, turn it on her.
Am I?
Did she
She
answer?
tried to bite me. I don't think she did. Did you bite me?
Yeah.
Did you bite me?
What? Why you asking me if I bite you? If I bit
Because
you?
I'm bleeding
Where you bleeding from?
from my arm.
That's your business. I ain't bit you.
You
Oh yeah, assault on a Leo. She's cooked. Stick a fork in ya.
trying to.
How things go from 0 to 100 quick.
And I'm gonna spit on you. I'm like,
Okay, then I'm gonna just be spit on, okay? Oh, we have face shield coming? Never mind.
Yeah, spit in
Deep
that.
breaths. Deep breaths. Take deep
I had
breaths.
mad times to take
Take
me
deep
breath from
breaths.
you. You know that?
Take deep breaths.
Mad times to take me from you.
Take deep breaths. I tried to. You wouldn't listen.
You gotta relax.
I got a hold of her. She says if you get arrested, she'll bail you out. And she just said, calm down, stay all good, okay? Okay?
Thank you. Thank you, boss me. Thank you. I appreciate you. I'm gonna violate you, bro. You heard that, right? And I got a lawyer.
Yes.
I do this shit.
Seem like the one you seem like you the one getting violated right now. I ain't gonna cap to you.
Okay.
You're not gonna play with me in this airport.
All right.
You getting played with.
I'm police. I did 4 years.
Use a toy.
I can post.
Did you?
Did I? Look, my VIN number is right here.
It's crazy.
I know it is, right? And I'm still acting up. I got this.
All right.
You're not gonna disrespect me. I know the law.
Okay, sir.
TikTok lawyer.
21, you're gonna bring the car to the office right now. We're Papa.
I'm gonna relieve you with another guy, okay? Because I know you've been here for a while. Castro.
Anybody have a rip off?
Got somebody bigger and
Can you
younger.
relieve him real quick, please?
Phone calls for you. but we gotta do step by step, okay?
I understand.
All right, just take a seat. We're gonna roll down the window for you.
My other bag.
Yes, we're getting your roll-on bag, okay?
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and that share button as well. How did you guys feel about this situation? I can't lie to you. I would have stole off on Shorty spitting on me. I don't give a fuck where we at. You spit on me, it's over. You're getting cooked. You know what I'm saying? Because there's no reason why you should be using your bodily DNA, bodily fluids, and it's putting that on me. I don't like that shit unless we having you know what, and that's what we doing. But to just nah, hell nah, I couldn't do it. That officer had a lot more restraint than me. Yeah, go check me out, King, at Deuce Live Reacts on YouTube, buddy. DUSLIV Reacts. I'm gonna put it in the chat. But yeah, so nah, this is why I couldn't be a cop, bro, because that's too much. That is too much, bro. That's too much. Officers have to deal with so much shit that is not even fair to deal with, and that's vile. Like, I feel like spitting on somebody is worse than punching them or kicking them or talking shit to them. Like, it's like the most nastiest shit you could do. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And that's it, baby. We out.